What's up, bitches? Today, got an Xbox One S. Seems just to be a bad HDMI port. Got a lot of wiggle. Could it be the retimer as well? It could. But we're going to start by swapping out the HDMI port and hopefully we'll be good. Let's take a look. First things first, we're just going to blast this son of a bitch with heat. I mean, we're getting melty. Melty. Take the tip off. Crank that up to 470 Celsius at 90% airflow. And let's roll. Pull the board out a little more so I don't melt my desk. Wouldn't be the first time. Wiggle. I don't like how these two look. I knew there was just shit on there. I think we wiggled it enough. There she blows. Things you'll learn. These fuckers get hot as shit. No touch. So, we're just gonna throw a little flux on the board, clean it up, see how it looks. Oh yeah, those pads are nice and pretty. So now, what are we gonna do? We're gonna clean it all up. Grab some solder braid. Nothing quite to write home about, just some shitty Chinese shit. Toss it there. And we let it get hot and soak it up. My iron's a touch low, so we're going to crank it up a little bit. You can just see the solder melting right into the braid. Do a little cleanup. Gonna clean all these pads for pretty much no reason, because they were really clean anyway. But the braid's getting pretty hot. It's a little warm. Now that's nice and clean, grab a cotton swab real quick, throw some rubbing alcohol on it, just to clean up all this crap. It's not going to be perfect because we're not done with it. But upon closer inspection, we might have a bad trace. So if you look real close, right here, that looks like it might be a broken trace. So what we're going to do is we're going to grab our meter and we're going to go into continuity mode. Now, going to make it go beep beep. And then we're just going to check both sides. So we'll check here. And then we'll stab it here and make sure. Which, this shit is too far off the mat. So let's try that again. I'll be damned. So it seems that it's good, but I don't trust it. So we're going to scratch a little here. And you know what? Instead of doing that the low-tech way, we're going to grab a grinding pen. That should be plenty to test it with, but let's see. So we'll start down here. Alright. Trace is good. Sometimes things happen for a reason. Sometimes the reason I'm a douche. So let's go ahead, we'll grab our iron, grab some solder. A little bit of flux. across our pads. Possibly a touch too much, so. Alright. Grab our replacement HDMI port. Just gonna set it right in there. Move this off the table a touch. Bring that back up here. Again, add a touch more solder, or whatever the hell this shit is, flux. And now we get it nice and toasty. So there's that. What we're gonna do now is we're gonna flip it and we're gonna anchor that bad boy in. So dabs of flux. Just to kind of help us get our solder where we want it. Flip it over, take a quick look. So, give a quick little touch up right on here. Apparently I didn't clean off that tool wall last time. Oh, let's check all these, see if any of them move. Nope, 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 nope. Alright. Well, now all we do, a little bit of cleanup, and then we test. Pretty sweet. Clean up, clean up. Everybody, everywhere. Clean up, clean up. Everybody do your share. And yeah, I got a toddler, so deal with it. All right. So I'm gonna test this, see how it works. Let you know if we have to do a retimer chip or not. The way it's looking, I don't know. We'll see. BRB, KK. So guess what? No bueno. So we're gonna go and we're gonna swap out the retimer chip, which is what I thought it was originally, but the port was wiggly, so we went with it. That's it. That one right there. This stupid mother trucker. So we're gonna grab one of our donor boards. And there it is. And we're just gonna get it real hot like and take it out. So, flux. There's always flux. At Fix It or Fuck It, we like to flux it. Just like that, the donor has given it. So now on the board we care about, we're not going to use as high of heat and all that good stuff, but still going to take out the chip and go from there. So I'm going to turn my airflow way down. Came out nice. Didn't fight with us too much. Nothing. So, what I am going to do though is I'm going to take a little bit of wick. I'm going to get rid of the leaded solder. Should I say the unleaded solder? So, let's clean it real quick and get some new solder on there. If you're wondering what I keep putting on the board, it's just 99% isopropyl alcohol. We don't use that cheap 70% shit. Cleans it nice. So we're gonna throw a little bit of solder on here, not too much. A little dab will do you. Take that, hit these pads. All right. Well, take the donor chip. We're gonna get the board nice and hot, put her in, and basically pray. Gonna let that solidify a little bit, get it close to lined up. Gonna go ahead, dab some flux. Throw some more heat, kind of let it do its little wiggle thing. Now we're going to put some pressure on it, heat it up, get all that solder out from underneath. Just like that, we got the balls popping out. Unlike your Uncle Jenny. Alright, so there's all that. We're going to grab our iron real quick, clean it up. Not a huge fan of how this corner looks, so I want to make sure it's not shorting. And it is, but it might be supposed to. So let's see. Just grabbing a donor board real quick. Basically what we'll do is we'll check if this resistor has continuity to the pad here. And it does, so we don't care. A little bit of IPA. Isopropyl alcohol. Don't drink it. It's yucky. Alright, so again, test time. Alright, so I went ahead, I hooked up the Xbox to this. Let's find out. Moment of truth. Power on. We got fan spin. We've got it. Just like that. Shit's fixed. No need to fuck it. We fixed it.